Hi guys, so I had a question regarding yesterday's NASDAQ morning move, and the question was, can they use the colors trading US stocks gapping up on the open, okay, on news? And the answer is absolutely yes. The story goes, guys, 21 years ago, I sat down with my mentor who day traded US stocks. He'd been day trading US stocks for forever, and he put together this journal of all the strategies that he used to day trade gaps with US stocks. And so what I'm going to do, because now it's evolved into my colors and trading systems, what I'm going to do, I'm going to share these strategies with you. And it's a big old catalog and Bible of strategies here. And it was more about candlestick patterns. And anyway, what I'll do, if you want me to share these strategies with you, make sure in the comments box down below you say yes to strategies. Yes to strategies. If I get enough comments, I'll be happily and motivated to share all these strategies with you over the coming weeks and show you what he did 21 years ago, because the strategies are still valid to this day. They still work because it's human beings trading the markets. And you know, when there's human beings trading the markets, these are repeating patterns. But these days, I'm using my software, develop my software to keep it really simple and get that momentum and buy on green and sell on red. But, you know, God bless him. I'm looking forward to sharing with you these strategies. And if I get enough comments, I will definitely go through these and share you in detail each trading setup. Okay, so hope it helps, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because then you'll be notified when those videos come out, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. So take care. Bye bye.